Hey guys, in this tutorial, I want to show you how you can create custom domain. It's important to create your custom domain for your website. So for example, you don't want to use your store at gmail.com as your domain. You rather use info at if your store is Danchi. So info at danchi.com instead of having a general domain that says danchi at gmail.com or danchi at yahoo.com or danchi at hotmail.com. You want to use your own custom domain. So info at danchi.com, support at danchi.com. This is a type of email address you want to have on your store. So to create a custom email address, right, you'd have to go to settings when you're your Shopify dashboard. And under settings, you'd have to come down here and then click earn domains. Once you've clicked on domains, there are different types of domain you could have. You would have a domain that you bought from Shopify or a domain that was bought from a third-party provider. So if you buy a domain from Shopify, let's assume you go here, buy new domain, and then we look for what domain is available. Let's even see if Danchi is available. All right. And then we'll look for what domain is available. Oh, really? It's available. And then we'll look for what domain is available and then we'll purchase. All right. Once you've done this, you'd see the domain listed here. And then you'd also see an option to create an email address from that domain. So you could then create a customized email address like info@danchi.com or whatever. But on this particular store, you could say I already have a domain connected to the store, and this domain was not bought from Shopify. I didn't buy this domain from Shopify. This domain was bought from a third party provider. So if you have a domain that is bought from a third party provider, you would have to create your custom email address from that third party provider. Is that fine? So you could use Namecheap, or Namecheap is Namecheap. You could buy domains on Namecheap, the third-party provider where you could buy domains and even create custom email address. So this is Namecheap. I'm gonna leave a link to Namecheap below. Yeah. So on Namecheap, you could definitely get professional business email addresses and even buy domain, and it comes really cheap. So these are the two ways you could get professional domain. You could buy a domain. One, you could buy a domain from Shopify, and that would give you an ability to create a custom email address from here. Or you could buy one from a third-party provider like Namecheap. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. All right, take care.